Well, my name is Joe B. Kent, and I'm the executive consultant for Headed 2. Here we'll talk about student navigation using the California Career Zone local platform by Headed 2. We'll go over finding home, the Explore menu, the Decide menu, the Grow menu, and within the Grow menu, we'll look at the exploration by cluster report and the Explore for activity. Also, part of that menu is the portfolio summary report, but we'll look at that within the context of a completed career transition plan or portfolio. So let's get started. So we're logged in, and now we want to find home. So anytime we're in the system, we can find home by simply clicking this icon. This will bring us back home. Or if we want to find our digital portfolio and our assignments, we'd click our name in the upper right hand corner, view profile, and we're back into our activity feed and our digital portfolio, which shows our assessments completed, our top pathways, our plans, which this is where the standards-based curriculum is located. So if I want to go back home, I simply click Career Zone here, and I'm back home, and back to my digital portfolio. In many cases, you're going to be working in a lesson plan, proceeding through this lesson plans and making lesson notes. You'll be asked in many cases to open up a new tab of California Career Zone Local, where you will be asked to navigate the site using the Explore, Decide, Grow menu. So let's look at the Explore menu. This is Assess Yourself, Quick Assessment, Interest Profiler, Work Importance Profiler, Skills Profiler, Fields of Study, Types of Fields, Occupations, Job Families, Video Library, All Occupations, College and Training, Colleges in your area, Find Training. Decide is College and Training, the cost of college, financial aid, branch out. This is where your additional resources for your local site will be housed, where your local content for your school or district will be. Fields of study, choosing a field of study, and Grow has your personal reports, documentation, include journals, bookmarks, and ratings, planning, job tools, resume builder, letter builder, reference builder, budget, make money choices. We're going to come back to this personal reports in just a moment, but this covers the Explore, Decide, and Grow menu. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at my Grow menu, personal reports, portfolio summary report, and exploration by cluster report. Now I'm going to show you how to do the Explore for activity and also evaluate the exploration by cluster report. So I'm going to click on exploration by cluster report. And by looking at this, I can see the areas or the clusters that I have not yet explored. So the idea of the Explore for activity, which you'll be exposed to, is to actually have you explore clusters that you have not yet explored yet. So I look down this list, and I might want to consider the results. So my work importance profiler actually matches up quite a bit with architecture and engineering, this cluster. So let's go ahead and I can actually look at that for all of my clusters. This shows where I have explored three various occupations within a cluster. And this right here does too, art and design. You'll notice that art and design is listed up here because I've explored those three occupations within that cluster. So let's look at architecture and engineering. We're also going to show how to use filters here. And so what I want to do is I want to use job zone, something that's above a high school degree and between a high school degree and a 4-year degree. So job zone 1 is below high school, 2 is high school. Job zone 3 is an associate's degree or 2-year degree. 4 is an undergrad or 4-year degree, and 5 is a graduate degree. So I also want to set my filters to where it's more than, say, $40,000. I want to look at only the occupations that have a video. And so I have 70 results now. And so based on that filter, I'm going to use the filter, and I have 21 results now. Let's say I want to actually sort it by job zone. So job zone 3, these are the ones that will require only a 2-year degree. And then I want to compare various occupations. So in order to compare them, I can actually go in here, place a check. This is where we get 4 to explore. Survey technicians, electrical engineers, and material engineer and landscape architects. Let's do that one. And so I've got 4 now selected. So I select the green button, compare selected. And it's going to show me 4 occupations. The job zone required. So I've got job zone 3, job zone 4, job zone 3, job zone 4, realistic, investigative, realistic, artistic. Those are the interest areas. These are the salaries. And then these are the majors. So I can make $68,000 and have a with a 2-year degree. So I'm going to really focus on this, but I want to explore these also very quickly to make sure there's something that doesn't pop up. So I'll click on these here. And for the sake of speeding up this tutorial, I would have clicked on this one, and now I want to really explore this one. And this is the one that I'm about, and in my lesson notes. And so that is the 4 to explore activity. Now we'll look at the portfolio summary report, and we may be in a lesson, for example, within our California Career Zone, and we would be asked to go and look at our portfolio summary report, which can be found by going to Grow, Portfolio Summary Report. And you can see the portfolio summary report, and you can customize it. So I don't want to see my skills profiler. I want to limit it to 25 occupations that it's showing down here. And then you can see all your assessment results and occupations recommended, how you did on your plans, your budgets, and etc. All the things checked up here. And this is going to serve as the basis for your career action plan. You can print it. And then if you need to come back and study this and come back and make lesson notes, you would come back here. Again, anytime you need to find home, you simply click here, or you go here and view profile. So in this case, this is the backbone of the career action plan. And you'll see in this tab, you'll see all of the work that I've done on my career action plan as I work through the standards-based curriculum. You'll see my cover page, my completed career action plan, my application, etc. All of these activities are within the standards-based curriculum. So I'm going to open up my completed career action plan, and you'll see that I've got, this is how it looks. You'll see my certificates, and then there's my portfolio summary report. So hopefully this gives you a complete view of navigating California Career Zone.